Hi everyone, today I wanted to share with you how to use new analytics to determine the average course grade or the average on an individual assignment. So to begin with, in my Canvas course, I'm going to look for new analytics in the course navigation. If new analytics isn't visible to you, then you may need to activate the link in your course settings by dragging new analytics up into the on position. Even though it would be visible to you, students will not be able to view it from their side of Canvas. So when I first click into New Analytics, it's going to bring me to an original screen in which it tells me the average course grade. So overall for all of my students, you can see what that average percentage is to kind of keep track of how your students as a whole are doing. Right below there is a search bar or a drop-down box, and this allows you to add a section, an individual student's name, or a specific assignment so that you can compare the average for that over, against the average of the entire class. So this can be really helpful for parent conferences or individual conferences with students so they can see how their performance is compared against the class as a whole, just as kind of a norm reference. But you can also look at individual assignments. So if I were to search for one of my quizzes, it's going to pop up specific information about that individual quiz. So here you can find the average grade for that specific assignment. You have a nice histograph here that you can see, and it's also another access point for the message students who feature. So New Analytics is a really great way to see some basic statistics about your course performance and individual assignments and student performance, but do keep in mind that sometimes there is a lag time with New Analytics compared to when you enter in grades for new assignments and when it's going to be added into the calculation within New Analytics.